guys, I'm Alforce here, and today we are playing a game called Lumber Tycoon 2 actually. You guys have probably heard of it at some point, if you've ever played Roblox. And pretty much what it is you start out and you have to cut wood down. And I started with the basic hatchet, but then instead of going to the second, I just went straight to the third. So what I've been doing, I pretty much got some of the grinding out of the way to get this hatchet, which cuts down the trees much faster. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna get $130, and I'm gonna make I'm gonna get one of those like sawing things, and it'll make it so that it'll make these wood things into planks, and I'll get more money for them. But for that, I have to buy land, which I'm also gonna do. Jordan stuff. Here's right. We're gonna cut down the tree, and we're gonna put it in one big thing. Yeah. We're gonna cut down this big tree. Sorry guys, it's like 10 o'clock at night. Cut. Yeah. There we go. I feel so much better now. Now that I've just chopped it up. It feels so good to just chop something up. I don't know where it's cutting, but it's cutting somewhere. I'll find out where it's cutting. Boom. Dun 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 dun. Let's go. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. There we go. Wow. That was like over $50. Trying to get the easiest ones. Ugh, fine, I'll just cut it off. There we go. These things are very heavy. I can't even lift them into the air. Dang it. No, don't sink. Just keep going. Just keep going. Just keep going. Gotta chop up some wood, gotta chop up the wood. It's gotta be chopped up today. Gotta be chopped today or it won't be chopped tomorrow. And it needs to be chopped by tomorrow. Chop up the wood, chopping up wood. I like to chop up wood. Chopping up wood, chopping up wood. I like to chop up wood. You guys should try it sometime. It's very fun. Drop on there. Dang. That's right. You better get in there. You too. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yep. Right there. Right there. Okay. Now we're going to go buy some land. And we're going to get the saw thingy. And we're going to have lots and lots of fun. So this is going to be a series without Commander RE because Commander RE has, let's just say, other things to do. Or, in other words, he doesn't want to do this. So I'm doing it on my own. Yeah, I actually do. Okay. Nah, I'm good. Not good enough. Still not good enough. Actually, I'll take it. $100. Purchase. Oh, this is such an exploit. I love this. I love this. I love doing this. So my money's at 151, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go home. This is kind of like a hidden kind of thing. But what you can do, I have 151 money right now. You can chop down your sign. Or no, you can just pick up your sign. Can you drop it? No, I think you have to remove it. See, and then you can grab it. And we can just walk away with it. Walking away, walking away. This is something you might not have known about this game, but it's really awesome. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it is. We're gonna drop it off at the wood. Drop off. So look, see how I have 151, right? $565 from a single sign. That's over 100, which means you can buy a piece of land, right? Bam, you get over $100 instantly. So you make your money back as long as you sell the sign. That's kind of just it's kind of cool. I mean, I don't understand how they would make it so that as long as you sold the sign, you would make more money than when you just bought it, but still, it's kind of cool. Once or twice I've been tempted to try and throw an axe into the fire and see how that would do. But something told me it wouldn't do well. So these are 130. Isn't that right? Ooh, I could get this or I could get the better axe. Forget it. Come on, Tom. We gotta chat it up. Yes, I want to chat. You're welcome. Don't worry. I've got to buy a sawmill for you. I mean, how can you go on without buying a sawmill? Of course, this is the lowest level, so if I get any bigger pieces of woody, I'm gonna have to, like, go and it's gonna be annoying, but whatever. No one cares. We're gonna put down a sawmill. It's gonna be so awesome. 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 Look at it. Look at it. So beautiful. Gotta increase the value, doodles. Whatever. Okay. Now watch this. Wait, if I get distracted. Yep, okay. Now we're gonna take this. We're gonna go like this. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go like this, and we're gonna wait, no. Here. There we go. gotta cut this off. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some good big pieces. Yep, we are. Yes, we are, matey. In, 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 in. And then we're gonna take this piecey. No, we're gonna take this. We're gonna take this piece. There. We're gonna go sell it. Then we're gonna go, and then if we have to, we're gonna sell another one. But if we don't have to, then we're gonna get a car, and we're gonna drive back, and we're gonna put all of that wood in the back, and then we're gonna come back here and we're gonna sell it all. That's how this game works. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Do 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 do. Whoa, dude. What is this? It's $12,000. Huh, that looks cool. That's cool too. But what I was looking for is not back here. It looks like they removed the beta axe. I was hoping it wouldn't be gone, but I guess it is. Well, we need to get a car. And I do forget how you do that. I swear it was somewhere back here. Where do they hide the cars these days? Oh, here it is. Why did I miss that? 400? Oops. Ah, I bought too much, but hey. There. Talk to me, Tom. Yes, I accept your price, and I will take my car, and I will. I had to carry it all the way back. See, look, if I try to open it here, it's like, oh yeah, you have to place it, so I had to go all the way back just to place down my car thing. Otherwise, we won't be able to respawn it. On Xbox, I have a beta axe. You guys may have saw it from our Lumber Tycoon videos. I don't know if you guys were I don't know if our series went that far. It wasn't a very good series. We kind of quit it. Didn't do very well. Well, that's not why we quit it. Probably because we quit it that didn't do very well. But we stopped playing. We stopped recording. We kind of just played it, and that was the best way for us to have fun with it. Otherwise, we would have been recording something that we were bored of, and then there's no point in recording it, is there? Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Off we go, off we go. That's a newly growing tree. Did you see it? It was so tiny. Firewood! Oh, I would love some of that. But I can't get it unless he leaves the game. Dude, I hate you, so blacklist. Do ducks, cooks, close. Good, he's gone. See, this is the kind of wood that you want. Guys, I think I'm gonna end the video. It's been 20. Why won't you stop? Thank you. Oh my gosh. I mean, I go to look at my recording and it's like, no, actually, that's gonna make you accelerate at the speed of light. Now that I think about it, these cars are so hard to drive. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. Gotta get it in perfectly, otherwise it won't work. And there. Yes. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Yup. Okay, and now moving on. Wow. We're gonna take this, we're gonna put this in there. We're gonna get one more load done, and then we're gonna end the video episode and call it a day. Yeah. Wow, forget those. They aren't worth anything. Driving this car is so hard. It accelerates so fast and it's like impossible to steer when it's going slowly. And now I shall, dang it. Why? Just why? I mean, really? Menu, is there controls or something? There we go. Thanks for getting broken, game. You the best. You the best. Now, we're gonna grab you. We're gonna grab you. Tom. Oh no. If I can't get it on here because of, there we go. I bet you someone's just purposely trying to leave it there so that no one else can get anything. Oops. There we go, we'll do one, we'll put you there, and we'll get rid of you, we'll get out of here, and we're leaving. Look at how fast this one chops down. Boom, boom. I think that was 2 or 3 hits. Well, guys, oh. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later.